So this is our Be Smart Get Prepared first aid kit. It's actually several years old, and actually I'll show you here. It's a hard-sided case, but on the back side are these little hang-up holes that we had it hanging in our office for several years, and so a lot of the things in it have been used, and some of the things are still in here, but like a lot of things have been used and replaced and stuff, and new things put in there. But you can see it was a really good 200 plus piece. I don't remember how many exactly pieces that it came with, but we've used several of the band-aids and bandages and wet wipes and antiseptic wipes and gauze, and we've refilled it with other ones recently too. And this is like an older version from probably 3, 4, 5 years ago, but it's the same product. It's just in a different case. I think the case is different now. It has different latches and different color. I think it's red now and stuff. But anyway, it's been a really, really good first aid kit. And like I said, we had it hanging on the wall in the office until we closed our office down. So there you go.